Tyndall. I'm doing an unboxing or unbagging video this time. One of my YouTube subscribers, Jesse from Texas, has sent me this because he decided that it was time for an upgrade of my homemade bee hats. I got this is the first time I'm completely opening it, and thank you so much, Jesse. Wow, this is really nice. Really nice. Let's try this on. This is a lot better than what I had before. I've got these. I guess these go into your arm. Yep. Check that out. Complete protection. Awesome. Yeah, now I can handle bees without getting each slap up. Thanks again, Jesse from Texas. Keep calm and patty on. Peace, love, and happiness. Like, subscribe, tell your friends.